Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tasif Siddiqui, and in this video I will show you how to make a complete battery pack using lithium ion cells. So here I have 18650 cells with me of 2.4 Ah 3.7 volt. So here's the battery pack which I have built using these cells. So this battery pack is of 48 volt 19 Ah, and in this video I will show you how to do the connections in parallel and series and how to mount the BMS. So here you can see, here I have the 13S BMS of 60 ampere discharge current. Even I make customized battery pack. So if you want me to make a customized battery pack for you, I will make a customized battery pack. You can contact me anytime. All the details will be provided in the description. So let's start. And as you can see here, this battery pack consists of 13 in series and 8 in parallel. That means 13 into 3.7 volt gives you 48 volt, okay, and 2.4 into 8 give you 19 Ah, around 19 Ah. So this is how you make a battery pack. So what you have to do, you have to use 13 in series to make a 48 volt, and if you want to make a 36 volt, what you have to do, 3.7 into 10, that is equal to 36 or 37 volt, okay. Then if you want to make around 24 volt battery pack, then what you have to do, 3.7 into 6 in series will give you around 24 volt. And if you want to make a 12 volt battery, then what you have to do, you just have to use 3 in series, positive, negative and positive, then it is going to be 12 volt, okay. So this is 48 volt, that means I have to use 13 cells in series. Now how I did is, first terminal is positive, then second is negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, okay. That means they are connected in series of 13, and in parallel you can see that all are connected in parallel with the same terminal on one side. So positive, 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 all are positive, and then next all are negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So this is how we arrange the cells according to a requirement. Most of the people, I think so, face the same problem, that they don't have the spot welder. So it is not compulsory that you use a spot welder, but you can use your soldering iron also to solder the wires. But make sure that you are not keeping the soldering iron for longer time on every cell. Just keep it for like 5 or 6 seconds, that's it. That is how you are not going to damage the most part of the cell. So let's start. So the first step is applying flux. Flux actually makes soldering very easy, and I don't have to keep the soldering iron for a longer time on the terminals of the battery. Within no time it gets soldered. So this is how you apply solder on the cells. You just have to keep the soldering iron just for 5 seconds on each cell, so that you are not actually damaging the lithium ion chemical in the cell. So let's see, just for 5 seconds we have to keep the iron on the cells. Let's start. 1 2 3 4 5, just for 5 seconds, and you can see that it is getting soldered. Just for 5 seconds we are keeping it. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now the next step is soldering the copper wire. So first I will solder the tip of the copper wire so that it becomes easy to solder on the cell. And now let's start from the first cell. Just keep it for 2-3 seconds and done. Measure the size of the cell and cut the copper wire. And now what you have to do is accordingly solder the wire and keep it just for 3 seconds on the cells. Let's see how we do it. Just for 3 seconds we have to keep. So 1 2 3, done. Make sure that your soldering iron is really hot. 1 2 3, done. So as you can see here, I have connected all the cells in parallel. The next step is connecting them in series. I am not going to connect them in series right now, because if I connect them in series, for example like this way, if I connect them in series, the cells will be ready to discharge. The electrons will start flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal, and they will be ready to discharge from the other side. And if I by mistakenly if I connect any wire or any conductor like this way on the other side here, it is surely going to be a short. So to be on the safer side, what I will do, I will connect them in parallel as I have done here. On the other side I will connect them in parallel, then I will start connecting them in series. So let's start. So first I will flip the entire battery pack. So now I will start connecting them in parallel, all the cells in parallel, and then I will connect them in series. So let's start. Just for better understanding, let me show you on paper how I am going to do the connections. So here are the 13 cells, and here also there are 13 cells. Okay, this is the upper part of it. Let's say this is how it is, and this is the lower part. So what I am going to do is, first I have connected these two in series, 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 and the last one, which is the negative, is left. Now what I am going to do is connect the lower part, these two in series, 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 the last one in series. So you can see the negative is left alone and the positive here is left alone. So then I will be taking one thick wire out from here, black color negative wire, and the plus the positive wire from the other side. Make sure that you are not connecting these two in series. If you do it, then it is surely going to be a short with a high ampere short. So do it accordingly as I am doing. The battery is of around 19 Ah. So what we are going to do, I am going to use 3 wires for series. If we connect one wire also, the current is going to flow through the cells, but it is not going to take that much of current. The wire is going to start heating up, and there will be loss of current also due to heat. So what we will do, we will connect 3 wires in series. So this is how you connect in series. So these 2 cells are connected. Now we are connecting these 2 cells. And I've connected all the cells in series on one side. So you can see that I've connected these 2 cells in series, this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2, and the last one is left. And now what we are going to do is flip it, and then we are going to connect the other part in series. So what we are going to do is, here these 2 are connected. When I am going to flip this, then I will be connecting these 2 in series. These 2 are connected, and then now these 2 will be connected. This 2, this 2, this 2, this 2. So this is how I am going to connect them in series. Now let's flip it. So you can see I have not connected this part in series. So first let's make sure which part is connected in series. So you can see that this is connected in series, this section is connected in series. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to connect these 2 in series, these 2 in series. So this will be my positive terminal, and last bottom will be my negative terminal. This will be my negative terminal, and this will be my positive terminal. So now I am going to connect these 2 in series, because I have connected these 2 in series before, these 2 in series, and now these 2 in series. So let's start. Make sure that you are not shorting these 2 wires. If you do it, this is really going to be very dangerous. There will be a big short, big spark, which might actually damage the cells also. Make sure you are doing it properly. So let's start connecting. So now this is connected in series. So the current going to start flowing through the positive terminal to the negative terminal, and from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. So now these 3 cells are connected. Let's see the voltage what we are getting here. So if I connect the negative here, the positive here, so I am getting 13 volt. So you can see that these 4 cells are connected. These 2 in series are connected from the bottom, these 2 series connected on the top, and then these 2 are connected in the bottom. So if I connect this and this, I get the voltage of 13 volt, nearly 14 volt. So this is how you are going to connect the cells in series. Now let's connect these 2 in series. So now, as you can see here, I have connected these 2 cells in series. Okay. So now how many cells are connected? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cells are interconnected. Now let's see the voltage if it is getting added. So let's connect this to the positive terminal and this to the negative terminal, and here we go. So I need to bring it to 200 volt. So now we are getting 21 volt. Okay. So done connecting these 2 in series. Now let's start connecting these 2 in series, and we will see the output voltage if it is getting added or not. So as you can see here, I have connected the third set in series. Now let's check the output voltage. It must be 21 plus 3.6 volt. Let's see. So let's connect this to positive terminal and negative here. So it is 28 volt. Yes. So the third set is connected in series. Now let's connect the fourth one in series, and then we will see the output voltage. Now the fourth set is connected in series. Let's see the output voltage, what we get. 28 plus 3.6 it should be. So let's connect positive here and negative here. So what we are getting is 35 volt. Yes. So now the fourth set is connected in series. Now let's connect the fifth set, and then we will see the output voltage. So the fifth set is connected in series. Now let's check the voltage. It should be 35 plus 3.6 volt, and here we go, 42 volt. Now we are getting 42 volt, and the last two batteries are left to be connected in series. Then we will get the voltage of 48 volt. So this is how you will check the voltage of this battery pack. Is connect the positive wire of the multimeter here and the negative wire of the multimeter here at the bottom of the battery pack, because this is the positive terminal. This This is the only option to check the voltage. Now let's see what voltage we get. So this is connected to negative, and here we go. So as you can see here, we are getting 46 volt. So if we once we charge the battery, we will get around 52 volt out. So now let's connect the BMS. So now I will show you how to connect the BMS to the 13S battery pack.